well. I just got into Vermont, up on the mountain, at least part of the way on the mountain. I got my pack here and my stuff. I'm going to meet William and John further up the mountain. Just talked to William. He says he's watching a longbeard, so we're in good shape. And I mean, you turn around after you get up here and you look at this, and it's just like, makes it worth it whether you kill a bird up here or not. It's just awesome country up here. I love it. I can't wait to start chasing them up here.
It's supposed to be like 1 in the morning.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
That's what we need.
So
you have to get in on them early though.
Yeah, we gotta get in there early. But he's in the woods a little, so I mean he's not like right on the edge, so yeah. I mean we should have, and we're gonna come down the same edge as him, so there's gonna be some cover. But yeah, we should definitely get in there early. Unfortunately, we're at the top of the mountain and he's at the bottom of the mountain, which is pretty neat.
We'll just have to walk, that's all.
Yeah.
Time to cook?
Time to cook some...
Go to bed, because we're going to have to get up early?
Yeah. Max fill. Nailed it. Extra protein in there even.
Ooh. That's pretty good stuff right there.
Yeah.
Beer and Mountain House substitute.
Mountain House
Mountain
knockoff.
House substitute.
Alpine Air.
Yeah.
Brett's finest.
Back right, front right. What do you like?
What are you having, Will?
What
What are you having? I don't know, sausage pasta thing.
Sausage pasta?
Spicy sausage pasta or something, or... I have a feeling it's going to be crunchy. Could be my guess.
Alright. What's the verdict?
I'm still working on it. Far from great. But edible.
Yep.
You could have done more on the salt front. It's kind of just looked bland a little bit. Usually these are loaded with sodium, but not this one apparently.
Maybe a little healthier.
18% sodium, never mind.
Let's get quite a bit.
This is alright.
It'll work.
It'll work. Yeah, it's hot.
Hey, you know?
Yeah, it's hot.
We're up on a mountain. Take it.
I think we're up early enough. This is just right, Brett. What are you talking about?
Better safe than sorry.
Yeah. Way better. Got a Mossberg shotgun. Shells. Got shells. More importantly, turkey
TP.
calls. TP.
Yeah. Plenty of TP.
Hit the road, Jack. Alright.
Alright, we're just above where John and William roosted this bird last night. So we're gonna cut the lights. I'm gonna load up the gun because it's gonna be too loud where we're going, and hopefully set up on this bird. We're gonna be real tight to him, so not gonna be much moving or talking after this point. Oh, if he comes off of that, on this side of the ditch or whatever, I mean, honestly, I could probably shoot him at 60 yards with this gun if I wanted to, but I don't really want to, but if we had to, I could. Yeah, I think we're in real good shape. If you're light. was pretty awesome. Oh man.
We got marked 2 years in a row. We just did that.
Yeah.
We called that perfect, didn't we?
That was awesome. Thank you guys for roosting them. William and John got up here last night before me and roosted this bird. And that was a difference maker right there. But setup was perfect. I don't know how sure he was about the decoys, but he was curious, but not super fired up about them. But I was gonna let him get closer, but we got a great, he was right there down the barrel. So.
Athletic Tom.
That was awesome. Oh, I love this Mossberg SA20. This is actually the youth model. It's so perfect for the mountains because, as you can see, we're way up here. Well, a little bit lower on the mountain we thought would be, but we're up here, and carrying a heavy gun, a 12 gauge or even a heavier 20 gauge is not for me when we have to climb miles and miles. So awesome to have this and quick to get on the bird. But let's go check him out. I'm sure he's not one of the bigger birds I've shot. They're not very big up here, but it's not the size of the bird, it's the experience, as you can see. And I mean, the view right there is just awesome. So, one thing to note here is it was probably too dark to film, but we had 2 hunters come in on us right across, right behind where that bird's laying. And wouldn't know what they were at first, but they were hunters and they were, real close to the bird. And I just flashed my red light at them a few times and they turned and went back down the mountain. So it's good to see that on public land. We could have messed up each other's hunts easily in that situation, or we could have been in an unsafe situation where they're facing this way and we're facing that way. And, so it was good to see. And I definitely appreciate that. So something noteworthy, I'd say. What's that? Yeah, it pays to get in real early. So, all right, let's take a look. Your typical Vermont mountain 2-year-old.
I've seen smaller beards up here.
I think we may have just broke the record for lightest turkey I've ever killed. I did. I think I broke the own record again.
Only if I cared.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. He's, well,
14, 15.
I think he's got 15. I think he's got 50. Yeah.
There's
Well,
a chance. There's a chance he'll touch 15.
Honestly, I don't know how he could put any weight on. Climbing up
I know,
this
I mean,
hill all the
geez.
time.
Ridge runner here, mountain runner.
Look at that. That's awesome. All right, let's get a tag on him, man. 5. I can't right from this angle. It's too steep. Damn. That's that. Oh.
20 feet, huh?
Can't all have. Yeah, he's got little feet. Little bird. Built for the mountains.
Yeah.
He's like a Sherpa.
Mountain climbing bird.
Yeah.
Rock climbers aren't usually big and fat.
Nah. Can't be. I get to play cameraman. Yeah. Got on my foot. Literally went in that hole. See that?
No.
That went in my crock hole and caught on my foot.
That's never happened in the history of time. Well, it's turned into a beautiful day. Really, really nice day in the mountain. We didn't have a whole lot of luck running and gunning. We struck a bird at 11:40, about 100 yards that way from camp. But one gobble and that was that. Not a ton of birds up here, and since we killed the one, there's probably half of what there was this morning. I would guess, because there's just not a lot of birds up here. So we're gonna pack up, go down the mountain. We're gonna check the bird in anyway. That's kind of the main reason we're gonna leave. It says that the weather is not gonna be great tomorrow for being up on the mountain, so we might go down, lower, check out some farm country, and try to find some birds. We're gonna play it by ear and make a plan, maybe grab some lunch, and then go from there.
Yeah, I think the main bird was like just under 16 too, if I remember correctly.
Spurs 3/4. Mid will be 9 inches.
Okay. Now, maybe a phone number.
Cheers. We should put them on top of that ice. Bingo. Vacuum it up. All right, time for lunch.